If you need high-speed internet but you're not getting it on your existing NBN connection, you may be eligible for an NBN Fibre Upgrade. This lets us work with NBN to take an existing NBN FTTN or FTTC connection and upgrade it to an NBN FTTP service, where fibre runs direct to your premises. NBN FTTP can support faster, more reliable speeds with more devices connected at the same time. New equipment may need to be installed in a different location than your current NBN wall socket. You'll get an outdoor NBN utility box and an indoor NBN connection box. The indoor NBN connection box will have a cover that measures just under 23.5 by 19.5 centimetres. Your NBN installer will recommend the best location for the new equipment. You can speak to them about your options. Please note that an NBN Fibre Upgrade does not include any internal Ethernet cabling beyond the NBN connection box. If you're interested in smart wiring your home, you'll need to hire a licensed cabler after your upgrade is complete. An NBN Fibre Upgrade can take up to 29 days, which is about the same as any new NBN installation. We'll provide an interim NBN service in the meantime, so you can still get online while you wait. On the day of your appointment, you or someone over the age of 18 must be present so the NBN installer can access your premises. Installing your new equipment may require the NBN installer to drill through walls or get access to any roof, wall or underfloor cavity spaces. If you're renting, you may need the owner's permission for any drilling work to go ahead. A complete installation usually takes a few hours. We'll send you an email or SMS to let you know when your service is ready. This means it's time to unplug your modem for your interim service and plug it into your new NBN connection box so you can get online with your new high-speed NBN plan. You can find a setup guide on our website. Once you're online with NBN FTTP, your interim NBN service will be disconnected. In addition to the monthly fee for your NBN plan, you may be wondering how much an NBN Fibre Upgrade costs. The good news is that a standard installation won't cost you anything. However, if you choose to go for a non-standard installation, you may need to hire a private contractor at your own cost before NBN can complete your upgrade. For example, you may need to hire a private contractor if you want a non-standard installation to a point that isn't the most direct path from the street. Another thing to think about is your modem. Not all modems are built to handle a high-speed NBN plan, particularly over Wi-Fi. If your modem can't support your NBN plan speeds and you're not getting a suitable modem from us, then you may need to buy a new one to enjoy the full speed of your NBN plan. You can check out modem requirements on our website. First, you need to be at an eligible address with an NBN FTTN or FTTC connection. Then, you can choose one of our eligible NBN plans. If you're renting, you'll need the owner's permission in writing. And finally, you'll need to make sure you've got a high-speed modem. Once you have all of that, you're ready to get started. To ask about your NBN Fibre Upgrade, just give us a call.